Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this drug inspector microbiology standard questions, this is our 8th test video starting from question number 71. Question number 71, hepatitis virus not transmitted by blood and blood products is. The options are option A hepatitis B, option B hepatitis C, option C hepatitis G, option D hepatitis E. So the right option is option D hepatitis E. Then question number 72, one of the following statements is false about Hyasanur forest disease. The options are option A, it is a tick-borne hemorrhagic fever, option B, principal vector is Haemophilus spinigera, option C, it is antigenically related to RSSE complex, option D, pigs autus amplifier host. So the right option is option D, pigs autus amplifier host. Then question number 73, which is the first human disease identified to be associated with a virus? The options are option A dengue, option B chikungunya, option C erythema infectiosum, option D yellow fever. So the right option is option D yellow fever. Then question number 74, which of the following viral diseases does not result in hemorrhagic fever? The options are option A loping ill, option B Ebola, option C Lassa fever, option D yellow fever. So the right option is option A loping ill. Then question number 75, which of the following is not a characteristic feature of AIDS? The options are option A polygonal B cell activation, option B hypogammaglobulinemia, option C hypergammaglobulinemia, option D lymphopenia. So the right option is option B hypogammaglobulinemia. Then question number 76, Seriopithecus Ethiopia is the source of option A HIV-1 virus, option B HIV-2 virus, option C simian immunodeficiency virus, option D feline T lymphotropic virus. So the right option is option B HIV-2 virus. Then question number 77, dimorphic fungi grow as yeast forms at the following temperature. The options are option A 25 degrees Celsius, option B 30 degrees Celsius, option C 37 degrees Celsius, and option D 14 degrees Celsius. So the right option is option C 37 degrees Celsius. Then question number 78, ochratoxins producing fungal species are all except. The options are option A Aspergillus acroseus, option B Aspergillus niger, option C Fusivarum moniforme, option D Penicillium verrucosum. So the right option is option C Furicasum moniforme. Then question number 79, the largest phylum of kingdom fungi is. The options are option A Ascomycota, option B Basidiomycota, option C Deuteriomycota, and option D Zygomycota. So the right option is option A Ascomycota. Then question number 80, the term fungus ball is synonyms with. The options are option A Aspergillus asthma, option B invasive aspergillosis, option C aspergilloma, and option D bronchopulmonary aspergillosis. So the right option is option C aspergilloma. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, enter your thoughts, doubts in our comment section, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.